Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing the world. AI is in our phones, cars and homes, transforming industries from healthcare to finance. Now, AI is poised to reshape leadership and governance. Imagine AI analyzing massive amounts of data to identify patterns and trends, aiding better decisions. AI offers efficiency and objectivity, but raises ethical questions about bias and control. Some experts believe AI could replace human leaders, processing information faster and making unbiased decisions. Others argue human leaders bring irreplaceable qualities like empathy and creativity. The truth likely lies in between. AI is already assisting leaders by analyzing data for policy solutions and tracking progress. As AI develops, it will play a greater role in governance. The question is not if AI will change leadership, but how we manage this transformation. This requires careful consideration of both benefits and ethical challenges. AI offers several advantages in governance. Its ability to process and analyze massive data sets is unparalleled. AI thrives in data-rich environments, identifying patterns and extracting insights quickly. This leads to more informed and efficient decision-making. AI can model potential outcomes of policy decisions, helping leaders understand consequences. It optimizes resource allocation, leading to effective policies. AI's potential for unbiased decision-making is significant. Unlike humans, AI can be designed to make decisions based solely on data. This objectivity could promote fairness and equality. However, AI is not a silver bullet. It presents challenges and ethical considerations that must be addressed. Responsible use of AI is crucial for its benefits to be realized. Ethical concerns must be addressed as AI improves governance. Bias in AI systems is a pressing issue. AI algorithms trained on biased data can perpetuate inequalities. Accountability is another concern. Who is responsible for AI's mistakes? Lack of transparency in AI decision-making erodes public trust. Misuse of AI in governance, especially by authoritarian regimes, is a significant risk. Even in democracies, AI must align with values and human rights. Addressing these concerns ensures AI in governance is responsible and equitable. The future of leadership involves a collaborative partnership between humans and AI. Humans excel in emotional intelligence, empathy, and ethical reasoning. AI offers exceptional analytical capabilities and efficiency. AI can assist human leaders with data and insights for informed decisions. It can automate routine tasks, allowing leaders to focus on strategic thinking. This collaboration requires a shift in mindset. Humans must embrace AI while remaining vigilant about risks. Developing transparent, accountable AI systems aligned with our values is essential. Investing in AI ethics research and public dialogue is crucial. The future of leadership is about humans and AI working together for a just, equitable, and prosperous world.